How to fix DeepSeek AI not working on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If DeepSeek AI is not working on your Android device, the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to the stable internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and data and check. The second thing you can do is log out and log in. For this, launch open the DeepSeek app on your device. Tap on these lines. Now tap on your email address. Then tap on the logout option. Go ahead and tap on log out. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Then check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, launch open settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on apps. Now from these list of applications, select DeepSeek. Now tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, launch open the app and check if the problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, you can simply check if there are any updates for this application. If there is the update button here on Play Store, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If not, tap on the uninstall button, uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. After reinstallation, make sure to sign into your account. And by following these steps, you will be able to fix any issue with the DeepSeek app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.